Anti-aging for African American skin. African Americans who treat their face with REFRESHEN Super Premium Microdermabrasion Cream should see improvement. For most, it is not subtle. You should see progress in the first couple of days, not weeks. Coworkers of new users often notice the improvement but do not realize what is changing. They ask you questions like, "Have you been on vacation?" or "Have you lost weight?" They know something is changing, but they do not know what. Aging skin has wrinkles and specific visual qualities which people unconsciously notice. It is only a very small amount of superficial skin cells that determine aging in the face. This tyranny of visual aging affects the human recognition process, or how people see and react to you. If you look older, people treat you as older. If you look younger, people assume you are younger. REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion Cream provides a non-invasive method of removing the superficial age skin cells from your face, and it also works well on the backs of your hands, so they will look younger. Hands are a second unconscious visual focus point. REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion will visually take years off your face and the backs of your hands if you are 40+. Microdermabrasion works by influencing your physiology to produce newer, healthier cells, seriously enhancing your appearance. This is done at home in 1 minute a day of shower time. Tip: keep your REFRESHEN jar in shower so you will not forget to use it every day. REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion removes the older surface cells, which will direct your body to produce newer, fresher cells more quickly. It is a natural physiologic response for your body to replace skin cells. When you remove surface cells faster than the normal shedding process, your body compensates by producing new cells and sending them to the surface faster, as it did when we were younger. It is a delightful little physiologic tweak. Aged skin provides the most dramatic visual evidence of our age. You should diminish both wrinkles and darkened skin through daily use of REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion. Use it in the strongest strength that you are comfortable with. Most people can use regular strength if you have normal skin. Try it. You can always drop back to sensitive skin formula if regular strength seems too strong, or you can step up to professional strength if you want an even stronger formula. Extra sensitive skin is for those with the most sensitive skin. If you want to switch strengths, you will have 2 different strength jars for a while, alternating using one strength and then the other, so you do not have to waste your original jar. Note: never exfoliate over existing dermatological disease like rosacea or eczema. Daily REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion treatments can diminish facial and neck wrinkles, as well as wrinkles' residual remnant lines, those residual hyperpigmented wrinkle lines. Apply REFRESHEN Eye Serum twice a day to any darkened skin you are working on, and allow 5 minutes for it to absorb before applying makeup. Daily use should help lighten dark skin patches and dark spots, more common in dark skin and African Americans. REFRESHEN Super Premium Microdermabrasion Cream is the visual anti-aging remedy. It provides accelerated exfoliation. This gives you the effect of turning back your skin's physiologic clock. Get results you can see and feel in the first 2 days.